What's up, creators? Chances are you have seen this on Amazon. It is a $7.99 tripod. If you bought one of these tripods, you may have noticed that it cannot support too much weight. But you're a budget YouTuber and you don't care, even though it does this. That's not fun. I have a little hack to show you guys real quick on how to make this not do this. So let's do it. So for this segment, you're gonna need, obviously, your tripod, balloons. I had balloons, the rubber, anything rubber and thin, that is what you need. You can find, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. And scissors, knife. Peter McKinnon would use knife. I'm using scissors because I have them readily available. All right, next thing you're doing, take your tripod apart. Okay, so you take the knob off. This now this part will just pop off. The ball pops out. Boom. So now it's time to take your ball piece, grab your balloons, and you're just gonna cut the top off. Then slip the balloon over the ball. You know how to do this. You know. I use 2 balloons, and if you have a little dangler, you just cut it off. It's okay if there's a little bit hanging there because it's more friction. And take the second balloon and repeat the process. I'm just gonna do this like so. Then just put it back together. Put it back together. Put it back together and test it out. So I could not have done this or this without this thing totally folding in half. So I know it's not perfect, but it works and it will work for you. You don't need to go buy a Joby, even though I really want a Joby. I really want one. Just do you, do the cheap stuff, do it budget, look out, deuces.